gardening.
Okay.
I like gardening. Do you like gardening?
Yes, I like gardening.
But now, let's wait. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Choose a letter and you say, is there a B? Is there an M?
Is there an A?
No, there isn't.
Aww.
Oh. No, there isn't.
Is there an O?
Yes, there is. Woo! Keep going, keep going.
Is there an L?
Yes, there is. There is an L.
Is there an M?
No, there isn't.
Oh!
Sorry. You think at the same time. Okay.
Is there an E?
Yes, there is.
Oh, yay!
What could it be?
Is there an I?
No, sorry. No I. Oh, yeah.
Is there an S? S.
Yes, there is. What is it? Soul? 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 Soul?
Is there an H? A H?
Yes, there is.
There's a H.
Shuttle.
Oh.
Shuttle.
No.
Shuttle.
No.
Shuttle.
No. Oh!
Shuttle.
I know. Is there a V?
No, there isn't. Yes, there is. Yes, there is. There's a V.
There's a V.
Shovel. What is a shovel?
You need it to dig.
To dig a hole. Remember?
Yes.
Remember? Dig a hole.
Dig a hole.
You need a shovel. Yes, to dig a hole. To dig a hole, do you need a cell phone?
No.
To dig a hole, do you need a marker?
No.
To dig a hole, you need a shovel. Excellent.
My turn.
You want to do it?
Yes.
Okay, go.
Thank you.
I'm very good at this, so it's not a problem. No, it's really not a problem. It's whoa! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11?
11. And it's 2 words.
It's big. It's big.
I thought you were good at this.
It's big. It's big.
Go on, guess a letter.
Is there an M?
No.
Oh!
No.
Is there an A? An A.
Yes.
Ah, okay.
There's 2 A's.
Is there an E?
Yes.
Is there a B?
No.
Oh. Is there an R?
Yes.
Okay. Let's do all the vowels. We're A, E. Is there an I?
Yes.
Okay. Is there an O?
Nope.
Is there a U?
No.
Is there a Y?
A Y?
Yeah.
No.
Oh, okay. Is there a T?
Yes.
Atery.
Catering.
Usually in English, would usually be ing. Ing. So, is there an N?
Yes.
There's
another N.
Is there a G?
There is a G.
Uttering. Oh! Gardening. Water. Watering. W.
What,
W.
W?
Is there a W?
Yes, there is.
Watering. Fan? No. Oh, a watering can.
Good. A watering
For your
can.
flowers. Watering can. Nice. Ooh, that's a long word.
It is.
We have more. Now, Rachel.
Yes.
Here are all the tools you need to go gardening.
Okay.
And here are their names. Let's associate them. What is this? What tool is this?
It's water in it, so it's a watering can.
Watering can.
A
Okay.
watering can.
Watering can.
Can I match?
Exactly. Have them match. Let's see what we know. Oh, we know this one. Remember?
Yes.
That's a
Shovel.
shovel. A shovel.
A shovel.
A shovel. Okay. Okay. Oh, gardening. Garden. Okay. Gardening gloves. Gloves.
They go
Yes, on your hand. Can you find the gardening gloves?
These?
Yes, gardening gloves.
Gardening gloves.
Yeah, they're
Gardening
important.
gloves.
Oh, wait. What about this one? Garden pot.
Garden pot.
Pot.
Yes.
Ah, is this a pot? A pot is usually round, and you can put things in the pot.
This is a garden pot.
This is a garden pot. Excellent.
This is a garden pot.
Now, more difficult. The hose. The hose.
Hose?
Mm-hmm.
This is the hose.
No, it's not the hose. No, the hose, use it to water the flowers.
Oh, this is the hose.
This is the hose, exactly. Okay, now, shears and a rake. Now, the shears, they are dangerous. Where are the shears? Where are the shears?
These are the shears.
Yes, exactly.
They're like big scissors.
Big scissors, and they are dangerous.
Very dangerous.
And
So this is the rake.
the rake.
The rake. What do you use the rake for?
What do you use the rake for? Use the rake to eat your soup?
No.
No. Use the rake to pile the leaves. And the shears. Do you remember what do you use the shears for?
To cut flowers?
Cut flowers or cut the bushes?
Cut the bushes.
Cut the bushes. The shovel.
You use the shovel to dig a hole.
To dig a hole.
Dig a hole.
Excellent. Good job.
Ben?
Yes.
What are you doing?
I'm digging a hole.
Oh, well, if you're digging a hole,
Yeah.
you need something.
I need a shovel.
You do. You need a shovel.
Thanks.
Yep.
Okay.
Ben,
Yes.
what are you doing?
Well, I'm cutting the bushes.
Oh, then you need some shears.
Oh yes. Thank you.
Here you go.
Thank you. Oh, so much better.
There's watering, there's raking.
Yeah. Okay. Watering.
Ben,
Yes.
what are you doing?
Well, I'm watering the flowers.
Oh, then you need a watering can.
Oh yes. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, perfect. Yes, thank you. Okay, last one. Ow!
Ben,
Yes.
what are you doing? What's wrong?
I cut myself.
Oh, well, that's silly. You need gardening gloves.
Oh, that's a good idea.
You need some gardening gloves for
Thank
your
you.
house.
Perfect. I love gardening.
I love gardening too.
Thanks for watching. Bye, everyone.